Bessie's cabinet clamps for face frames give you the convenience of 3 tools in one. They work to draw the face frames together side to side, help to align the frames across the front face, and provide a steel guide bushing so you can pre-drill and screw your face frames together while they're still being held by the clamps. The clamp body and side jaw are cast steel for durability and strength. They feature legs on the back side to allow the pressure plate to align the face frames front to back. And the guide bushing snaps conveniently out of the way for driving the screw once the face frames have been pre-drilled. These clamps are simple and effective. Engage the legs of the side jaws against the back of the face frames, and tighten the side jaws, drawing the 2 cabinets together. Before final tightening, the center pressure plate is used to align the cabinets face to face. And this is the time to align the cabinets top to bottom as well. Once the cabinets are fully aligned, tighten the side jaws. The guide bushing is automatically in position for drilling the pilot holes. Then it snaps out of the way, leaving plenty of room to drive the screw. These cabinet clamps for face frames from Bessie efficiently clamp your cabinets together, hold them in place, and guide your drilling, allowing you to set your cabinets quickly and with a minimum number of clamps.
Assembling and machining project components doesn't have to be a wrestling match. You don't need a third hand, you just need an easy way to support stock while working with the 2 you already have. Woodpecker's Deluxe Bench Dog Kit offers a variety of support options to complement your grid-drilled workbench. And the bench dogs come in 4 heights designed to provide solid support while staying well below the surface of normal dimensions. When you need a wider clamping area, just drop an extended stop over a pair of dogs. Now you have a 7-inch bearing surface, plus if you have a complicated assembly that needs offset support to keep from falling over, the 1/8-inch bench dogs are threaded to receive adjustable risers. Woodpecker's Deluxe Bench Dog Kit comes in 2 versions, one with 20mm stems for Festool NFT and similar systems, and the other with 3/4-inch stems. The Deluxe Bench Dog Kit from Woodpecker's, precision made in the USA.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above our town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain hidden in your smile. I I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning. As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, we used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning. I see the fear inside your eyes.
I'm going to show you how these smart box clamps are helping me with two projects. But first, let's take a look at how they work. This clamp's really cool. Basically, it'll position any two pieces of wood at perfect right angles to each other. The first thing you do is adjust this block, the front holding block, for the thickness of stock that you're putting in there, the thickness of the pieces. Then you clamp this block down, either using the clamp handle below or doing it from above, and it pushes inward and down at the same time. This is just a little simple plywood box I made out of Baltic birch with the nice edges. After I put on these nice mid-century hairpin legs, it's going to turn this little box into a nice little nightstand or an end table. The problem with these miter joints is that they really want to flop and slide all over the place when you get wet glue on them. These box clamps are really going to help me manage these parts and keep them in place while I get other clamps in play. The cool thing about box clamps is that they can lay flat like this and be adjusted from above with a wrench like that or like that, or they can have the clamp handle on the back like you saw before and be adjusted from the back. Everything you need comes with your kit, so you can adjust the clamps in both ways. I'm going to use these 4 clamps in their flat mode, and I'm going to use these 4 with the clamp handle on top to manage this entire glue up. After you drop the pieces in and get them basically where you want, then you just come around with your wrench and tighten down the little clamping tab right here. As you do that, make sure your pieces are all smushed together down there. And the whole point here is just that this is going to hold them basically in the basic position that you want them to be all the way around the box, like that. Now I'm going to put on another piece, and another, and another, and so on. Now I'm going to do the same thing at the top, medium pressure, and I can use these handy clamp handles. Now all the parts are in the perfect position, the whole assembly is managed, and I can apply other clamps as needed to close any remaining gaps. Now that I know that everything comes together perfectly, I can put glue on all the joints and really build this box. That was really easy to manage thanks to these box clamps. I was able to close every gap in this assembly. Looks great. I'm going to let that dry.
My name is Isak and I've been a woodworker since 25 years. The forest is part of life for me. It's where I work, it's where I train my dogs and fish. Finding the right tree is very important to me because I want to build houses that last for like 500 years. The craftsmanship is to build quality products that last for generations. I like the flexible DeWalt tools because we work in the middle of nowhere.
You can use the same batteries in all machines. You have to rethink how you did it before and how you can do it nowadays.